So here are the birds, the two parakeets that we got from our friend. So yeah, the project's gonna be to make a stand for them. I found one on Amazon, it's like $15. I said I think I can make it something cheaper than that. Also, this skirt here to keep the debris of the seeds and their feathers from falling all over the place. I got it from the dollar store. It's a laundry bag that I cut. So on Amazon they're like $8 to $10 for something similar. So there they are. That's one's called Rose and the other one's called Lightning. These are the few things that we'll need to build the bird stand. Got a tape measure, a handsaw, drill, some drill bits, and some screws. So I cut the two pieces. That's to 8 inches, that's to 12 inches, and this piece of wood is 12 inches long. So I'm gonna put it together now. So here's the finished product. It's a stand for the two parakeets here. The one on the left is called Lightning. The one on the right is called Rose. So when I clean their cage, they have a place to stand instead of flying all around in the bathroom. So hopefully they like it.